So welcome to Magna. This is a former steelworks. So I am currently in this museum, which is the melting shop. This thing is about, I'd say, 2 football pitches in length, so you can see the size of the site, or how it used to be anyway. But interestingly, it used to have a Roman fort here. Alright, so just entered the first bit, and it's very dark. Alright, not sure what that's doing. Okay, this is effing huge. Even got, I wonder what the noises were above me. I thought it was effects, but no, they're just pigeons. Right, I'm going to adjust the camera here because this is so big you can't see it in the darkness, can you? Alright, it's going to look a bit pixelated because that's the highest ISO I've got, 12,000. Right, I'm not sure what's to show in here other than it's effing enormous. I don't quite know what that's all about. I think there's a game there. I've read TripAdvisor, and a lot of people are not impressed from a kid's perspective, or for kids. It's basically just a big, dark, scary place. I 100% agree, big, dark place. Let's see what else there is. Alright, I'm about halfway up to the top. You won't be really good to see it, but there's a massive hook up there, right in the middle. I think that's a work in progress. Access to main exhibition to the right, exit to the left. Alright, this is super dark. Can't see anything myself, so it's not going to come out in the camera. And that's the main exhibition that way. It's hard to appreciate the scale of some of the, I don't know what you call them, vats. Down there. Again, the hook's over there. So it's hard to show the scale of this place. Alright, for some reason they've got lots of dog and cat and pretend spider skeletons all over the place. I don't know. Oh, there's an old worker. Happy with his job, I'm sure. Oh, there's another one. There's the Grim Reaper up there, although he's in a skeleton, I'm not quite sure what that means. And then there's this weird airship, which I'm not quite sure what the relevance of that is to here. I have to say, the lights in the camera look a lot better than they do in reality. It's quite funny. I don't quite get the airship. I assume you can walk into it, but I haven't got there yet. Walk in here. That one looks good. now going into the Fire Pavilion. The fire's spreading. Oh wow. Wow.
This furnace held the world record and turned out more steel than any other electric furnace anywhere else in the world. What you're about to witness is a representation of how scrap steel was recycled by an electric arc furnace. Anyone still here? But it's not over yet. Here comes the second charge, and the team that we had to endure this smoldering inferno all day long. Samples are taken from
Right, I'm now in the Air Pavilion. I have no idea what's in here. Speak, look, listen. Alright, I'm on my own, so I'm not going to do that. Air cannon. Oh, I love these. Oh, you turn it all the way around. That's cheating. Alright. Onward anyway, have a look at what else is in here. Airwaves. If I stand here, nothing. Oh, we have a resonance tube. Kunst tube to be precise. Oh, here we go. Does it work though? Zoom in a bit. The wavelength of the peaks and the drops now. This one's got a tornado, air tornado. Oh, there's some kids playing on a bendy bridge. Oh, this is very creepy. This is the water zone. It really smells in here, chlorine. Surprised? Trying to spray me. Well, this might be dangerous for my camera. There's an awful lot of water in here. I'm now entering the Earth zone. I don't know what to expect. Oh, let's dig a wheel. Alright, that's a good, what, 9 foot high. I can just about reach that bit. Earth Pavilion, it says. Laying down rock. I'm too tall for this. I'm not quite sure what this is all about. Mining, I think. It's a play zone for kids. The digger zone, they call it. Every schoolboy's dream, working a JCB. Let's have a go. This is so funny.